Welcome to today's class Biodiversity Hotspots of India. Myself, Dr. J. Lavanya, lecturer in botany, Vishaka Government Degree College Women's Autonomous, Vishakhapatnam. Let us see what is biodiversity. Biodiversity is the variety and variability of living organisms on Earth. It includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystems. Coming to the importance of biodiversity, biodiversity is essential for the survival of life on Earth and for maintaining ecological balance. It is having a significant role in many aspects. For example, ecological importance. It maintains balanced ecosystems, it supports food chains and food webs, it helps in nutrient cycling and soil formation. It also having a significant role in economic importance. It is the source of wood, fuel, timber, and fiber. It provides raw materials for industries. It also supports agriculture, fisheries, and forestry. Medicinal importance. There are so many medicinal plants. They are the source of many medicines and drugs. Traditional medicinal system depend on biodiversity. It is potential for discovering new medicines. Environmental importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity regulates climate and rainfall. It prevents soil erosion and floods. It purifies air and water. Cultural and aesthetic importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity is important in traditions and religions. It supports tourism and recreation. It also enhances natural beauty. Scientific and educational importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity helps in research and education. It also supports evolution and adaptation studies. You understood well about biodiversity. Now, what is a biodiversity hotspot? It is a region with high species richness and high level of endemism and threatened by human activities according to the concept proposed by Norman Mayers. Generally, hotspots are the places which are having at least 1500 endemic plant species and there is lost at least 70% of original habitat. There are about 36 biodiversity hotspots worldwide, whereas India contributes to 4 hotspots. The 4 hotspots in India are Himalaya region, Indo-Burma region, Western Ghats and Sri Lanka, Sundarlan. We will discuss about Himalaya hotspot. It extends across the northern India and it is rich in endemic flora and fauna. You can see many endemic species like snow leopard, red panda in that area. Endemic means we can find those species in that area only. The Himalayan hotspot is one of the richest regions in terms of biodiversity. Flora about we can find 10,000 plant species, out of them 3,160 species are endemic to that area. Coming to the fauna, about 300 mammal species, 980 bird species, 176 reptile species, 105 amphibian species are present. Many species are endemic and endangered. Endangered means these species are facing a high risk of extinction. The Himalayan hotspot is rich in endemic, medicinal, and economically important plant species due to its wide range of climates and altitudes. Important plant species in this region are rhododendron. It is state flower of several Himalayan states. It is ornamental and endemic to this region. Cedrus deodara, important timber tree. Pinus roxburghi, it is a source of resin and timber. Abies spectabilis, it is found in high altitudes. Betula utilis bojpatra, the bark used traditionally for writing. Taxus wallichiana, important medicinal plant. Nardostachys jetamansi, aromatic medicinal herb. Aconitum heterophyllum, valuable medicinal plant. Sasuria ovulata, sacred endemic flower. Podophyllum hexandrum, it is also important medicinal plant. Endangered species of the Himalaya hotspot region. These species are facing high risk of extinction like snow leopard, red panda, Himalayan musk deer, Himalayan monarch, Tibetan antelope, Himalayan brown bear. And the plants which are endangered are Taxus wallichiana, Aconitum heterophyllum, Nardostachys jetamansi, Podophyllum hexandrum. Important endemic species of the Himalayan hotspot. These species are endemic to this region. Animals like Himalayan tahr, Himalayan monarch, Kashmir stag, Himalayan field mouse, and plants like Sasuria obvalata, Rhododendron nivalis, Mecanopsis grandis, Betula utilis. Indo-Burma hotspot is one of the important biodiversity hotspot region. Our northeastern India comes in this hotspots region. It includes tropical forests with many species like orchids, bamboos, hulok gibbon. The Indo-Burma hotspot is one of the richest biodiversity regions in the world. Flora in this region include about 13,500 plant species. Out of them, nearly 7,000 species are endemic to that region. Fauna includes 430 species of mammals, 1,300 species of birds, 520 species of reptiles, 430 species of amphibians, and 1,260 species of freshwater fishes. Western Ghats hotspot region is very rich in biodiversity. It runs along the western India and we can find high rainfall and evergreen forests with species like Rayan-tailed macaque and Nilgiri tahr. The Western Ghats hotspot is one of the richest regions of biodiversity in India with a high level of endemism. The flora here includes about 7,400 plant species. Out of them, 1,800 species are endemic. Fauna includes 140 species of mammals, 500 species of birds, 260 species of reptiles, 200 species of amphibians, and 290 species of freshwater fishes. The Western Ghats are extremely rich in endemic evergreen and medicinal plant species. The important medicinal plants in this region are Dipterocarpus indicus, which is tall evergreen tree and endemic, Opia parviflora, valuable timber yielding plant, Mesua ferrea, medicinal and sacred tree, Kalinia exarillata, dominant rainforest tree, Calophyllum ionophyllum. It is a medicinal and oil yielding tree. Myristica malabarica. It is endemic evergreen tree. Syzygium travancoricum, which is endangered endemic species of this region. Garcinia indica. It is also endemic fruit yielding tree. Nothopoditus pneumoniana medicinal plant. Strobilanthes huntiana endemic flowering shrub. Coming to the Sundarland hotspot, our Indian Nicobar Islands comes in this region, and this region is rich in tropical rainforests and species like coconut crab, Nicobar pigeon are present in this region. In India, the Sundarland hotspot is represented mainly by the Nicobar Islands. Flora of this region includes about 25,000 plant species and there is a high level of endemism. Fauna includes 380 species of mammals, 770 species of birds, 450 species of reptiles, 250 species of amphibians, and 1000 species of freshwater fishes. These hotspots are very important in view of ecological balance and medicinal plants, and there is need for conservation of these regions. Role of biodiversity hotspots in ecological balance and their importance in medicinal plants. Hotspots conserve a large number of species in small area. They maintain food chains and food webs. They regulate climate, rainfall, and temperature. They prevent soil erosion and control floods because plants are good soil binders. They support pollination and seed dispersal. They act as gene reservoirs for future adaptations. Hotspots are rich in medicinal and aromatic plants. They are source of traditional medicines. They provide raw materials for modern pharmaceuticals. Many life-saving drugs come from hotspot plants. They offer potential for new drug discoveries. There is need for conservation strategies of biodiversity hotspots in India. Biodiversity hotspots in India are highly rich in species but are severely threatened, making conservation strategies essential. Protection of endemic species is very important because hotspots contain many endemic plants and animals found nowhere else. Loss of hotspots means permanent extinction of species. Prevention of habitat loss. Deforestation, mining, urbanization, and agriculture degrade habitats. So, conservation helps preserve forests, wetlands, and ecosystems also. Maintenance of ecological balance is very important. Hotspots regulate climate, rainfall, soil fertility, and water cycles. Their degradation disturbs food chains and ecosystems. Conservation of medicinal and economic plants is very important because hotspots are reservoirs of medicinal plants used in traditional and modern medicine. Overexploitation threatens valuable plant species. Climate change mitigation. Today, we are facing climate change problems. So, conservation of forests acts as carbon sinks. It increases ecosystem resilience to climate change. Sustainable livelihoods supports ecotourism and forest-based livelihoods. It ensures long-term benefits for local communities. Scientific and educational value of hotspots is important. Hotspots are living laboratories for research and education. I hope you understood well. Thank you.